So here's a very awake Anais with the hiccups.
Anais with the hiccup and twisted eyes. Woo.
There's a big one. Hello, Anais.
She's twisting her eyes.
Hey, you. How you doing?
Anais.
How you doing?
Hey. I'm ready.
We got the hiccups,
Look
do we?
at that. Look. She was just